What do you think is in the box, Chloe?
Big bird.
Do you think it's your big bird?
Yes!
Is it? Could it be?
Oh, hey. Oh, boy, I had an adventure. Hi.
Is that your best friend? Did you miss him so much? And look what they sent you.
Send you Shamu.
They gave you a
A
Shamu.
letter for Chloe. Hello, friend. While Big Bird played in the park, he met a friend. Big Bird invited Shamu to come back home with you. We hope you have many more memories with Big Bird and his new friend Shamu. From your friends at SeaWorld.
Are you happy? Say thank you, SeaWorld.
Thank you.